Hi guys, good afternoon. How are you all doing? Okay, to continue with our formulas, I know we've talked about the count, we've worked on the sum, we've worked on average. So today I want us to, summarize everything we've done so far and use this data set. We have make use of this data set. We have over there's 2006 data here. So I want us to make use of this as a data set so we can work on this. Now we have called all year salary. You look at this is our year salary. Year salary. How do you get the salary year average? Okay, all year salary, we have the count function, and remember, the count function is to count how many salary did they pay. I told you we have about let's come here, we have about 32,773. So how do we make use of our count? Which is equals to what? Equals to count, open bracket. All you need to do, don't need to waste your time, just do this. Click on your N, that is your column bar, click on enter. We have this, can you see that? That is that. All job. Count day. The way you're counting for jobs, you have to make use of letter. So the count day makes use of what? You can count both letter and word. So we have about 2,673. That is for the role, type of job, this is a data set. So we have for United States. No, there is a condition here now. There is a condition. We have a condition here, so which is what? Count if, open bracket, what do you want to count? All states. We are counting the states. So come to your year, comma, open quotation mark. What are we counting? United States. Click. Do you get how many people are from the United States? We have 25,114. We want to count for data analyst, that is for the job, which is what is equals to count if, open bracket, what, where is our range? This is our range here, which is job title, comma, what is the criteria? Open quotation mark. We have what? Data analyst. We have 9,606 data analysts. Now here we have to count for what? Both United States. We have to count for United States and data analysts. Let me interpret that. That is, we have to count how many people come from US, which is United States, and is a data analyst. Do you get that? Which is what is equals to count ES, because we have multiple conditions. What is the first condition? The first criteria is what? People from where? From the US. This is for US, comma. What is the criteria? Which is what? The criteria is United States, open quotation mark, United States, close quotation mark, comma. Second condition is to count for data analyst. Where is the range? This is our data range here, and we say what, comma, open quotation mark. What is the criteria here? What is our criteria? The criteria is what? Data analyst. Data analyst. So now this is it. We have 8,339 people who are from US, and they are also a data analyst. Are you getting it? So that is for that. We have the sum. This is our sum. We have to sum the job. We have to sum all the values which we have here on our salary, total salary pay, which is equals to what? Sum, open bracket, this. If you make use of this like this, it will give you this. Can you see that? So we have 271, 2 million. You press your what? Press your enter. So this is what we have. Do you see that? And for what is the total amount earned as a salary earner from the United States? That is what is equals to sum if open bracket what is the range we are calculating for? What is the range we are calculating for? This is our range. What is the criteria? Open quotation mark. United States. Apology, United States. Just make sure you make it of the right word so they can reference to the right cell. Now, where is the range we want to sum? This is where we have our value. So this is where we want to sum. You understand? So this is the total amount paid to people that come all the way from the United States. Do you get that? So now we have to count to know the sum of money paid to data analysts, like how much do the data analysts earn. So which is equals to sum if, to make use of the same function, sum if what is our range? What is our range? This is our range, which is what the job title, comma, what is the criteria? The criteria is what? Data analyst. Data analyst. And where is our range? If this is the range of the amount, where we have the value, then this is amount n by the data analyst. Do you understand? Now we have this ifs function. This is a criteria which we have to know, calculate the amount n. So what to calculate for the US, the total amount n as data analyst from the US, which is equals to sum ifs, open bracket, what's our sum range? This is our sum range. We have comma, what is the criteria range? We have the criteria range, which is from the country. We want to calculate for the country, comma, what is the criteria? We have the criteria, open your quotation mark. The criteria we need to work there is United States. Now that's our first criteria. Now the second is what? We have the job title itself. Now what do you have as the criteria? The criteria here is what? The criteria here is data analyst. Don't forget, you have to open and close everything you are doing. Sum if, open bracket, data analyst. Can you see that? You have to be sure you do not make any mistake. You have to be sure you are not making any mistake. If I change this to data engineer, it will change also. To just give us the total amount from there. Do you understand? So that is for that. We have the average. How you calculate your average? Your average is what is equals to, not wasting much of our time, we can just do average, and this is the average we have here. That is the average. Now we want to calculate all jobs. We don't need to calculate the average. What is the average for the United States? Equals to average so the United States, don't forget that you are working with your function here. Look at what you have here, which is the if. This is the a ifs. Don't forget, which is equals to what? Average if. These are criteria. The criteria is what? United States. Criteria is what? United quotation mark. United States. Don't forget that. What is it? Average range. This is a mistake. Our average range is this. This is our first criteria, and average range is this. Do you get? Do you understand? Do you get? This is our average for this. So for data analyst, it's equals to average if, open brackets, we have this ATK criteria is equals to what? Data analyst. What is our range that we need to sum together? We have that. Now want to do this for this, the multiple condition is equals to average is open bracket what is our average range? This is our average range. Open bracket, first criteria range, which is the first. What is our criteria there? Our criteria there is what? United States. You can always do it in your quotation mark. Quotation mark, which is what? United States. United States, comma, range 2. This is what? And what is our criteria there? Our criteria there is what? Data analyst. You see that? So thank you guys. That will be all for now. We have the mean, we have the maximum, and all of that. You get? We have the mean. Open bracket. What's our mean here? This is our mean equals to mass. Open bracket. What is our maximum here? This is our maximum. That's our maximum. We have for the if count. That is if you have a condition you want to count for. Okay, what is the minimum end from the United States? What is the maximum end from it's equals to mean. But with Google Sheet you can do all of that. But with Microsoft Excel, only if you are using the advanced, which is the latest one, that is when you make use of the ifs, mean if, maximum if. You understand?
Thank you for joining us today. Kindly like and share.